Let's get myself sorted out. There's the headphones. Over there somewhere. I see. Right, what I'm going to try and do now is do some aircraft carrier landings. So all we need is an aircraft carrier first, and hopefully the VR headset will behave itself. Right, I need that turned up to 40. That's great. We'll go there. Have our nav instruments on. Transponder 7001. Okay, let's get the map up, because we need the map if we're to find an aircraft carrier anywhere. I know we've got maps here, but that's not show me an aircraft carrier. Well, there's no aircraft carriers in map. Well, we'll just go out to sea. Let's fly towards Amsterdam today. We might come across something, so let's just lower that map down. Because these aircraft carriers, they just spawn themselves. They just come to life. Okay, I'll stick that in the corner. Right, brakes off. Let's go. Oh, great, throttle's not working. No, it's completely dead. Why? It's one thing after another with this flight simulator. It's working now. It's working now. There we go. Right. What am I doing over there? There we go. Turn that off. Yeah, while you're flying over the sea, hopefully there'll be an aircraft carrier will spawn, and we can do some carrier deck landings with the Hawk. I've never done that before. No, I don't recall doing it in this, or I'd like to do it in the Phantom actually, because that is seriously scary aeroplane to be landing at the best of times. So to be coming in to land at like nearly 200 miles an hour, to land on an aircraft carrier, that must be tricky. Definitely tricky. Okay. Amsterdam, here we come. Well, we're sort of heading that way anyway. I suppose if we don't find any aircraft carriers, we could always land at Amsterdam. Have a weed. Feet on the floor. Heels on the floor, I should say. There we go. Back pressure. Gear. Accelerating through 300 knots. Afterburner off. And we go this way. So we want to roughly be on a heading of east. Counting down now to south. Southeast. Let's go 120. There we go. Hopefully there won't be too much work for the computer to do once we get over the water. So it'll stop glitching. Start running a bit smoother. There we are, we're out over the water. 600 knots. See that flashing light there? It says seat. Can you see that? That means it's not safe to eject at Mach 1 because we're going too fast. See, what people don't appreciate is when the parachute opens, it brings you to an abrupt halt. And if you're going too fast when that parachute opens, bang, it hit you like a steam train, and you're just seeing stars and you're swinging limp and helpless in the harness because you just had the shit knocked out of you. So trust me, only Tom Cruise can eject at Mach 10 because most of us can't eject at Mach 1. That's seriously dodgy. That's just telling you you're going too fast for a safe ejection. Okay, we're at Cloud Base. What have we got? 3,600 on. Still no sign of an aircraft carrier. And I'm just waiting to get visual with the coastline. I'll go follow the coast to Amsterdam. Let's do the top of the climb checks. Okay, bring the power back, make sure the air brakes are in, flaps are up, gears up, everything's in place. Everything, nothing dodgy. Come on, get the thing trimmed in properly. G. So Cloud Base was about 3.6, I seem to remember. There we go. Oh, we've got a coastline. If there's an aircraft carrier, we've got an aircraft carrier. Turning for the carrier. We'll have to put the weed on hold. It's about 020, something like that should take me there. 020. Roll that. Good heading. Start to descend. .400 knots. Okay. Must remember to lower the hook before we attempt to land on the carrier. I think the trick is you've got to apply full power as you touch the carrier, as if you're going to go round, and then if the hook connects, then it'll stop you and you can reduce the power. And I've landed on a aircraft carrier loads of times in Harrier and the VTOLs and helicopters, stuff like the F-35, but I don't think I've ever done it in a jet fighter. And this is the perfect aeroplane to learn in. .390, 400 knots. Right, we just got to wait until we get visual with our carrier. Now, I didn't know, but during the Second World War they were training the pilots, and you can't land on an aircraft carrier, you know, unless you've been trained to do it. So they trained them to do it on an airstrip, and then they had some fake aircraft carriers that they sort of knocked together And they had them trundling around on the Great Lakes. So the pilots, when they passed the landing on the ground with the tail hooks and the wires and things, they went off to these two fake carriers. Okay, got something up ahead, visual. Okay, let's configure ourselves for carrier landing or touch and go, whatever. Yeah, that looks like the aircraft carrier to me. So we need to get the air brake out. We need to bring the speed down to 250 for gear extension. .250 gear. Gear in transit. I'm going to aim to hit the carrier at 140.
Call the ball. ILS 108.10. Heading 360. You're high.
Call the ball. What does that mean? Call the ball. Okay. Right, we need to lower the hook. So I must remember to put the hook down. There we go. Hook is down. It says hook, look, bottom left in the heads-up display.
Call the ball. ILS 108.10. Heading 360. You're high.
I don't know what call the ball means.
You're overpowered.
I'm not. Trust me, I'm not.
You're overpowered.
The throttle is closed. 128. I don't want to go any slower than
You're
this.
You're overpowered. You're overpowered. You're overpowered.
I need to maintain speed
You're
now.
low. You're low.
What you don't want to do is fly into the back of the aircraft carrier.
You're overpowered.
Right, so there should be some landing lights.
You're overpowered.
Like vases. 142,
You're
that's
overpowered.
spot on.
You're overpowered.
Concentration here.
You're overpowered.
Confirm 3 greens, confirm tail hook is down, confirm.
You're overpowered.
Okay.
You're overpowered.
Imagine trying to do this at night.
You're overpowered. You're overpowered.
140, I'm happy with that, I'm happy.
You're overpowered.
Totally happy with that.
Cut.
You sure?
Cut.
No, I'm keeping it going, I'm keeping it coming. Keep it coming, keep it coming.
Cut.
Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. Whoa, what happened there? I think I crashed. Where's the wheels? Okay. Well, the gear lever's down. Why is there no wheels? That is disappointing. Oh, well, that's my first attempt. Didn't end well. Perhaps I should have confirmed 3 greens.